In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you new methods, new strategies, and new secrets that helped me to make $12,295 in commission in the last month, just in one single month, in the last month of October, okay? From the first day until the day 31, okay? So if you are interested and you want to start promoting your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, this video is for you because I'm gonna share a new method. And let's get started. So first you need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. So if you don't have, you guys just need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page. This is the sign up process to Amazon Associate. Click on sign up and here you go. Click on create your Amazon account, and as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate affiliate account. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You should see your let me show you. You should see your summary here, your commissions, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to start promoting those Amazon products on Pinterest to earn commission. You cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work or that product that you like. It doesn't work like this. You need to see what's trending on Pinterest. So first, go to Google and search for Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, go to Google, search for this Pinterest keyword, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, and you need to create a business account, not personal account. Okay, so why we choose Pinterest? You guys don't know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly, and if you are following those steps and those methods that I will share with you, you can make so much money with this Amazon affiliate marketing business. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a big number. So after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, like I said, you cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down, click over here, choose which country you want to target. You have a lot of countries here. You have United States, Canada, Italy, Spain. I will use Canada. Let's search for Canada and let's scroll down, and here you go. So Pinterest will give you what's trending in Canada this month on Pinterest. Okay, what's the audience from Canada, which products are searching for, which topics, which services. Okay, so here you go. Let's scroll down here. If we click here, we can swipe left or you can swipe right. So I'm gonna choose, let's, you guys can see this one is also looking good, and we have this one, but let's see if we can find more. Halloween, we have wallpaper, home decor, nail ideas. You guys can see this one. Let's check this one. For example, scroll down, click over here and choose past 3 months, and here you go. You guys can see that this product is still trending in Canada this month. Okay, which is really good. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword, this product name, and go back to your Amazon account, to this Amazon account, click on the search and search for this products like this. Please, I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of people here on Amazon who are selling those products. Okay, what you need to do is you need to choose good products. How you can choose good products? Always check how many people paid for those products in the past month. Okay, like, so for example, like you see guys, like this one over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. So this is a good one that you can also promote. Also this one over 1,000 people, this one over 7,000 people paid for those products in the past month, meaning that those products are trending and they are working. Okay, so let me find the good ones. We have this one here. Let's scroll down, we can find more. So let me see. We have also this one. You guys can see this one. Over 9,000 people paid for this one in the past month, which is really good. It's a good product that you can give it a try and start promoting it on Pinterest. But let me show you. If we scroll down, we have more. We have this one. We have, let me see, we have this one here related to this name. And we have, I will go to the first, okay, to the top here, and I will choose one of those products. So for example, I will choose, let me show you. I think this one looking really good. Like this one has over 7,000 people paid for this one in the past month. So I will choose this one. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to promote on Pinterest. Scroll down, click on this product picture, and what you will do next, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Click on over here and upload the picture that you download from Amazon. Okay, let me show you. Yes, this one. I will click on open, and here you go. You need to put your title here. Go back to this product page on Amazon and copy this title. I will copy this part. I will go back to my Pinterest account and I will put this title here. Description, I will go back to this product page on Amazon. I will scroll down and you should see here about this item. This is your product description. I will copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down. So this description is too much long. Okay, let me delete this part. Okay, it's good. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to this Amazon product page. Let me show you. Go back to this Amazon product page like I said. So you should already have an affiliate account with Amazon, so you can start seeing like this bar over here, this one, site Stripe. So to get your affiliate link, just click on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to put here keywords. So go back to your Pinterest trend account and copy this keyword, this one. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this keyword here. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down. You have here related trends. You have more keywords, okay? So copy all those keywords, okay? Copy all those keywords here and go back to Pinterest and put all those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and that's it. You just published your first Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how we can correctly, and that's how we can truly promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So these products, people already paying for these products. Over 7,000 people paid for this one. This is the proof. You guys already saw this, okay? You guys can see here over 7,000 people paid for this product in the past month, meaning it's working and it's trending, and you should start promoting this product as an affiliate marketer with with Amazon, so you can make commissions like this. This is the exact method that I'm using. I'm doing my own research. I try to find a trending product that people are buying in this month or in the next month, okay, and I start promoting those products, okay. That's it. That's how I made this commission just in one single month. And for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you step by step and explaining to you this business with more details, and we can talk about this if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.